Hello, friends. I want to welcome you today for a very special kind of presentation, a very special playlist additional in my YouTube channel. It is called Dedication Thursday. Dedication Thursday. You wouldn't like to miss this. It is a Dedication Thursday. Every week on Thursday, I'll be presenting a special dedication, and you can get it under Dedication Thursday playlist in my channel. I am Pastor Counselor Omari, and for today, as we begin, I want to invite you in a very special way. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click subscribe because upcoming presentations you will love them. For today, I want to share with you Dedication Thursday playlist. Welcome. Just as I said, today I'm going to talk about inner peace. Inner peace. How can you find inner peace? How do you develop inner peace? Now, in any case, if you would like me to present something for you and dedicate it to your friends, feel free. You can email me under counselor.omari@gmail.com. It's just there. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that way, under this very video, in the comment section, you can just click there and type what you want me to dedicate. For today, as we begin, a special dedication from one and only friend, Dada Tabi. I know you are listening, I know you're viewing, and I know you will share this with your friends because you are dedicating this to all your friends and to all my viewers and any other person out there who seeks inner peace. This presentation is a special dedication for you. Welcome, and let us see. Our key text says, that is 2 Thessalonians 3 verse 16. Now may the Lord of peace himself give you peace at all times. In every way, the Lord be with you. God is there to give you peace. Now, let us see what is inner peace. What is inner peace? This is a deliberate state of psychological or spiritual calm despite the potential presence of stresses or a stressor. It is associated with happiness and contentment. So, I want to tell you 12 ways of how you can achieve inner peace. 12 ways you can achieve inner peace. How to get inner peace? Number one, focus on the present. No worries about the future. Actually, the Bible says, do not worry about the future, what you'll eat or what you do, for even the birds in the air, they feed, but they don't have any store. God takes care of them. Number two, simplify your life. When you have a simple life, you will have less anxiety, and that way you'll not affect your inner peace. Number three, learn to accept what is the reality. In life, there is a reality. Sometimes the reality can be hard and tough. We are going through a pandemic, and that's the reality. You need to accept it and learn to accept every kind of reality. You have been left with a beloved one, or you have lost a friend. You need to accept that reality for you to have inner peace. Number four, avoid most negativity. Don't have self negative talk. You need to avoid negativity in your life. Another point, make positive choices. Very important, including spending time with people who are positive minded. We call them optimistics. Number six, invest in yourself. How do you do that? You can pursue your hobbies. If you love music, I know Dada Tabi, you love music. Pursue that. Pursue that. Plus any other hobby that you need, pursue it, for it will bring you peace, inner peace. Let us continue. How do you achieve inner peace? How to get inner peace? Take responsibility. Take responsibility. You need to rectify your errors. Rectify your errors where possible. Take responsibilities. Don't run away from realities and don't run away from responsibility. Number eight, be happy. Wow, be happy. A happy heart, a happy soul is medicine to your bones. Be happy. Do things that make you happy. Be patient with yourself. For you to have inner peace, you need to be patient with yourself. Choose to love. Choose to love. And you know one thing? Love has the power to heal. So choose to love. Another thing, forgive. Forget what weighs you down. Don't hold grudges. You need to forgive and forget. Forgive and forget. Forgiveness is for the forgiver. You feel relieved and you feel an inner peace. And finally, build healthy relationships. For any health, for any inner peace, you need to be surrounded with people who have healthy relationships. May the good Lord bless you. I want to invite you to Dedication Thursday. See you once again next Thursday for a special playlist. I want to believe it is going to be yours. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless you as we have inner peace.